In today's video, we'll explore the concept of data modeling in Power BI and why it's crucial for building effective reports and dashboards. Let's dive in. Anirudh has written this LinkedIn newsletter. If you want to read, check description. Data modeling in Power BI is the process of creating relationships and structures between data sources. This helps to organize and represent data in a way that makes it easy to analyze and visualize. It involves defining tables, columns, measures, and relationships in a structured format. This ensures your data is accurate, efficient, and ready for analysis. The data modeling process in Power BI typically includes importing data from multiple sources, transforming that data into a structured format, defining relationships between tables, and creating calculated columns, measures, and hierarchies. Power BI uses a tabular data model based on relational database principles. This makes it intuitive and scalable for users to work with datasets of varying complexity. Now, let's discuss the importance of data modeling in Power BI and how it benefits your projects. 1. Efficient data analysis. A well-designed data model organizes your data logically, making it easier to analyze and extract insights. With properly defined relationships, Power BI can efficiently handle large datasets and complex queries. 2. Simplified data relationships. Data modeling helps establish relationships between different tables using primary and foreign keys. This reduces data duplication and ensures you have a single version of the truth across all your reports. 3. Improved performance. A well-optimized data model ensures Power BI queries run faster and use resources more efficiently. For example, using star or snowflake schemas can simplify queries and improve dashboard performance. 4. Flexibility in reporting. Data modeling provides the foundation for creating dynamic reports and dashboards. You can define calculated measures, hierarchies, and key performance indicators or KPIs directly within the data model, enabling flexible and insightful reporting. 5. Scalability. As your datasets grow or become more complex, a solid data model ensures that your Power BI projects remain scalable. You can easily add new data sources or expand relationships without disrupting your existing reports. 6. Minimized errors. By defining clear relationships and transformations up front, data modeling reduces errors in calculations and reporting. This ensures consistent and accurate results in your analyses. 7. Enables advanced analytics. A strong data model is also essential for leveraging advanced analytics features in Power BI, such as DAX calculations, time intelligence functions, and even predictive analytics. Now, let's look at an example of a simple data model in Power BI. Let's say you're analyzing sales data. Your data model might include these tables. A sales table, containing transaction details like product ID, date, and sales amount. A products table, containing product details such as name and category. And a calendar table, containing dates with attributes like year, quarter, and month. By linking these tables using relationships, for example, by product ID or date, you can create a powerful model. This allows you to analyze sales by product, time period, or category, all without duplicating your data. And there you have it, a complete overview of data modeling and its importance in Power BI. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on Power BI and data visualization. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.